Hello, everyone. My name is Jawad Bushnak. I am the founder of Pixel Marketing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to give admin access to your company's Facebook page to another marketing agency. Typically, when you onboard with a marketing agency and they're handling your social media, this is one of the things they'll ask from you. So, this is a quick and easy guide on how to do so. So first things first, you want to be on your personal Facebook page. Just go to facebook.com. Top right icon indicates what page you're interacting as. So I don't have a profile picture. Don't judge me. Whenever you're here, just click on the Facebook icon on the top left corner and then select your business page that you want to be granting admin access to. So we'll go to our own page and you'll see here on the left to switch to the Pixel Disc Marketing page, which is your business essentially. So we're going to go ahead and switch. You'll know you fully switched when you see your profile picture on the top right corner. So now I'm interacting as the business profile. Now over here, you'll see Meta Business Suite. So we want to go ahead and go into Meta Business Suite. Go ahead and share this tab instead. This is where you can manage everything on Facebook, all of your assets, your pages. Your agency utilizes this, and if they're not, then they probably should. So this is the main page of the business suite. On the bottom left corner here, you want to go ahead and click on settings. It'll allow you to add people here, but we're going to go ahead and go into business settings because this gives us the opportunity to give them more access. Okay, so here now we're in business settings. What you want to do, it automatically puts you into the people tab, and what you want to do is go ahead and click add people on the top right corner there. Type in the email of the person you want to give access to. So let's go ahead and say info@pixeldiscmarketing.com and space. If the agency has multiple team members that are going to be working on your account, which they usually do, then you want to give all of them access. If you don't give them access, then it's going to take the admin user another 3 days for them to be able to give them access. So it just saves a lot of time if you give everybody access at once. Go ahead and click next once you input the email. You'll come to this page. Once you're at this page, just skip all the way to the bottom where you see full control. More than likely, you're going to want to give them full control. Otherwise, they'll be bugging you for a lot of things that they can't do. So if you give them full control, it's basically set up for an agency to be able to manage it effectively. It'll say sensitive task. Obviously, don't be wary of who you give access to this to. Hopefully, you trust the agency you're onboarding with. And then you go ahead and click next. Whenever you click next, you're going to come to this page over here. So it's going to say new pages experience. That's going to list the pages that you're able to give them access to from here. So you're able to give them access to Pixel Disc Marketing. You click on that. On the right side, just scroll all the way down and toggle over everything. This will check everything that they need. Classic pages here, add accounts. Add accounts is another common thing they'll request access to. So if you click on add accounts, you click the ad account that you have and manage ad accounts, just like that. If you don't give them access to ad accounts, that should be fine. They should be able to go back and give themselves access later, but this just saves time. You can also go through all of your other assets, your pixels, any other applications you have integrated, Instagram accounts. I gotta log into mine. You can give access to Instagram again. Just go through this entire list and make sure you're giving them access to the right things. And then you click on invite, and they should get an email with an invitation. They click on it, and then once they input a couple of things that Facebook asks from them, they'll have full access to your Facebook and your Facebook assets. That is the end of this video. Hopefully this helps everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and look out for more videos. Thank you.